Alright, this is our 17 to 22 Super Duty center console. If you have a phone like I do, it goes in here. Not a good. That's where I usually throw it. Not a good place for it to set. Also, this charger, super awkward to put it in there, and it does charge your phone slowly. So I have a solution. It's going to be pulling out this original tray. We're going to get rid of that, and we're going to take this console, pull up on the corners here, and then I kind of give it a pop back with my fist. You want to make sure it clears those little tabs on the inside. There it is. And then once you get up, there is a connector up underneath here that is connected to this guy. So I already had this one out. So just push in on the little tab there and then pull it off that connector. It is kind of a pain. Try not to scratch up your dash while you're doing it. Then we're going to take this console and set it aside. Now if you see down in here, there's a hole, and this is going to be where our cable is going to run down through. It's going to come down. It's going to come down over here, out of that hole, which is right here, through there, and then I'm just going to drill a hole right in the side of this, because in our console here we have a cigarette lighter on the inside, so we're going to use that as the power source for our new charging pad. So what I'm gonna do is we have to drill a hole in this guy, right? We'll do it right around here, at the base of this. This is where your key fob goes if you need to start the vehicle, and that's why that little sensor's on the bottom. But we're gonna drill a 3/8 inch hole right there, and then we're gonna drill another 3/8 hole right on the inside here. So let me grab my drill. It'd be better if I had a 90-degree. Alright, we got our hole here on the inside, right there. That's our 3/8 hole. Let me just kind of clear this out. And then I'm going to do another 3/8 hole. See, I got the safe in here, so we want to go to the side where there's not a metal plate. So I'm going to go right in through here. Alright, we got the hole through. Now, what I can do is take our console. I'm going to take our new tray here. This again is the prototype. This is not the finished product, but we're going to feed this cable right through the hole, and it's going to go into place like so. And then we're going to feed that cable back through the bottom hole right here, and in through our new hole to get into our console. Alright, feed this cable right through the bottom, and then through that hole I made on the inside. Now, I'll pull it through right here, and we got to hook up this connector again for the key fob. It's underneath here. Okay, that's into place. And then we're going to reinstall this console. just like that, snaps into place. And provided you get a charging adapter, and it's got the USB A and C, so in case you need to use that plug in the future for USB, your regular USB devices, you can just plug it in there down at the bottom. It doesn't take up the slot. Just plug it in to your adapter, and that's it. Now we're going to take the phone and